Hi guys, it's Thursday and I wasn't well last night, so I just took like a 1 minute video of the horrific noise of the buzzer that goes off every time these takeaway guys ring. Alexa, what's the time?
It's 9:30 a.m.
So we've had 2 or 3 bogus deliveries to my address again. 2 females and a bloke. I'm getting sick and tired of this. I'm trying to rest. I feel sick. I don't feel very well. It's annoying me. It's getting on my nerves now. Right, so can you imagine that buzzer going off 10 times? On one occasion I had 26 deliveries and the buzzer went off 10 times consecutively. Can you imagine how loud and annoying that is?